And so what does good customer service look like to you?
Oh, just making the customer feel awesome all the
Okay.
time. It's not about just sending an email reply, oh, we're going to come clean. It's literally making that person feel like that they're just one, not just a number on a spreadsheet,
Yeah.
making every single customer feel like they're the most important customer, really like bragging about them, really going out of your way in a certain way. So say, for instance, in the first 2 cleans, I trained my girls to leave like a shower, Mr. Muscle's shower shine, with a sticky note on in the shower, and with a sticky note with a smiley face saying, please use me every day in the shower, and with a smiley face on it. And it's completely literally so out of the cuff, but it made, I had so many messages with pictures of these and like a pot of, say, the pink paste in the kitchen with a little non-scrub scarab pad saying, please use me on your hob and your sink when we're not here. But it's just little things that are like, oh, no way. I had so many messages of little things that you can do to really improve that. When you do end of tenancy cleaning, like have a card printed with you on there, the personalized aspect has to be included. And then kind of like welcome home letter, a note in there for them with a voucher if you use again within a year. But welcome to your new home, and leave them a very little small basket of items they can use to help them in their house. But it's that personalized aspect very much. I'm very hot on that.
So going a little bit of the extra mile.